How does my garden help me to survive? I think that it can go on and on. I'm pretty sure that's what sustainability is. How do plants help us survive? It gives us food, sustainability, it reuses old food as compost, it can provide seeds to plant and share. Some plants can be used as medicine. They are a good source of vitamins. Some can be used as material for clothing. Some can be used as shelter, such as trees, big leaves, branches, bamboo, etc. Plants release oxygen through photosynthesis. What do I do when preparing a garden? Try starting a compost pile in your yard, or put compostable materials inside a bag. The leftover food that you've eaten or you don't want anymore, don't just throw it away. Put it in the compost and mash it all up with something like a stick or shovel. You could put in eggshells, hair, what I just learned, food scraps. Once the compost is broken down, put it into the soil. Don't be like us. Mix up your compost. Find home for the seeds. Then you gotta prepare where the seeds are gonna live. Prepare the soil. Plant the seed. This soil isn't just mixed dirt and clay and sand. It has all the stuff that the plants need, and it feeds the plants for up to 9 months. I have no idea. Stay tuned and we'll find out together. Yes, this is a baby rake. When harvesting, ooh, a little ant, sorry. When harvesting, only take the lower leaves, so the bigger leaves, the ones on the top, can keep on growing. I love dino kale. I wish he had kale on him. I didn't know that, I thought that the sprout that it started with, most of them look like a pumpkin apple thing. I thought they were just gonna grow into the plant, but the plant actually grows in the middle, and I thought the same for these. It brings me joy. It gives me experience, like if you planted it again, you know what to do next time, and you know what not to do. Like, if you put too much water in, it would get moldy. And if you don't give it any water, it just won't grow. What is wrong with this plant? No grapes at all. Not even a baby grape. What the heck?
Have a list. You didn't go to town.
There was a little buggy. He was just chewing on this yellow squash, and I squished him.